This video is brought to you by Consumer Voice, the premier hub for product reviews and ratings. Find detailed analysis of the best products in every category so you don't get burned on a bad purchase again. Head over to consumervoice.org to learn more. What's going on, everyone? Marc Guberti here. In this video, we're going to share 10 affiliate marketing tips for beginners. These tips are going to be really great if you want to sell more affiliate products and get a better idea of what you should be focusing on. If you guys want more videos to grow your platform and audience, make sure you subscribe because we cover this very often on the channel. So the first affiliate marketing tip for beginners is to start with what you already know. People don't buy from you because you put an affiliate link on some site. You're not going to buy Teachable from me because I tell you to buy Teachable. You're going to buy Teachable, or someone is going to buy from you if you have captivating reasons for someone to buy. So when you start with what you know, you already have a head start. Teachable is something I didn't know about at the beginning of my marketing journey. Now that I use them, it is something that I could confidently talk about, like I did in a recent Teachable review video I did over on my channel. The second affiliate marketing tip is to just go ahead and become an Amazon affiliate. Now, Amazon doesn't have high commissions, and you started around 4% commissions, which it's not that good. But the great thing about being an Amazon affiliate is you could promote practically any product. And if you do get enough sales, you get up to the 6%, 8%, and other commission tiers based on what you're selling and how many units you have sold. So there is a lot of benefit to being an Amazon affiliate just because it covers all the possible options for different things you can promote as an affiliate. And there are some people who actually do make a full-time income through the Amazon affiliate program. So it is possible for you. It's just that at 4% commissions, it is a little more difficult. What will make it easier is this third tip, which is to do a Google search where you type in the name of a product and you put affiliate program at the end of it. And you want to do this for as many products that you know as possible, because you will eventually find an affiliate program that is attractive. I mentioned the Teachable software already, and it gives a 30% recurring commission. So the great thing about recurring commissions is that you sign someone up once, and Teachable is the type of platform where you put a few courses up there, you're pretty much going to stick with them for years, if not for the duration of your online business. So that means that as an affiliate, for each person I refer, I get paid every single month just for that person being on Teachable. You can make a lot of money as an affiliate by promoting products, by promoting training courses and other services. But the issue with that approach is it's a one-off commission. So sometimes you make thousands of dollars a month as an affiliate. Other times you could barely scrap $100 a month as an affiliate if you don't have a way of getting consistent sales and you don't have consistent offers that you could promote. This is especially true for the training course industry, because the way a lot of those work is you have a open cart date and you have a closed cart date. So it's not like you could promote the same training courses forever. So it is good to do all that research, find a bunch of options, and then we're going to go into the next step. Next tip is figure out which ones have the highest commission potential. If you could sell one training course and make $800, and that is those types of affiliate programs do exist, or you could do a recurring commission setup like a Teachable, that will give you a great edge in affiliate marketing. So when you think about the $800 commission, and this isn't just for training courses, there are other options. You got to do research in your industry, obviously, because I don't know what your industry is. Let me know in the comments, actually, what industry you guys are in. I'd love to hear from you. But when you figure out those types of opportunities, it makes more sense to sell something once and make a few $100s versus having to sell thousands of dollars worth of product on Amazon to make the same amount as if you sell one unit of something else that just happens to pay a higher affiliate commission. So you do want to look for those types of opportunities that they give you the most dollar for the effort you put into promote. And when we do go into promotion, we're going to jump into the next tip. Figure out which affiliate offers have the best promotion potential for your audience. So I create a lot of videos on YouTube. I mentioned a teachable review. And the reason I did a teachable review is because that is something that people are actively searching for on YouTube. I also know a lot about virtual summits and I'm very passionate about them. It's just that people don't search for those as much on YouTube, which is why I don't roll out as many specific, like how to launch a virtual summit type of videos. So one of the ways you can figure out which affiliate offers give you the highest potential is to do some keyword research for YouTube. I like to use vidIQ to do my research, and it pretty much tells me what are the keywords after I plug it in. Is this keyword something that has a lot of demand and not that much competition? And you want to ideally go for something like that. You don't want to go for something that has a ton of demand and a ton of competition if you are just starting out. Like ClickFunnels, for instance, I feel like people get into affiliate marketing and it's not too much later than that where they hear about the ClickFunnels affiliate program. It is one of the best affiliate programs. I used to be active in it, but I just didn't feel like it was for me. And you do have a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of ClickFunnels tutorials, a lot of articles about ClickFunnels. Like the more established a product becomes, the harder it is to compete. At the same time, when something is established, but maybe not like a ClickFunnels craze, then it is something that you can more easily get on with a YouTube video, with a written blog post review, and that will give you an edge because you're in this less competitive space where demand is rising. So vidIQ is what I use to find that. You could also use keyword planners through Google to just get an idea of which keywords are seeing some more traction, but perhaps there aren't as many competitors for that keyword. The sixth tip for all of you affiliate marketers out there is to grow your platform. So your YouTube channel, your Instagram, but most importantly, because there's a lot of different ways you could grow your platform, the most important thing you have to be growing is your email list. The email list is where the majority of money in affiliate marketing is made. YouTube videos also do pretty well, but the majority of it is going to be that email list. It is an essential asset for you to communicate with your audience. And you could either grow your platform through free stuff like YouTube, Instagram, social networks, content creation, or you could do a paid ad where you have some type of funnel set up. You pay a certain amount of dollars per email address on average. Let's say it's $5 per email address. But if you're cranking out $10 on average per email address, you're pretty set and you keep running that ad. Now, there is certainly a lot to the paid advertising side, and there are people who they spend hundreds of dollars to see nothing in return. And the reason that happens is it's all based on what you're promoting. If you're promoting an opt-in page to get someone on your email list, and then you have a whole sequence that leads people to a paid product, yours or an affiliate's product, that is going to give you a much better chance of making money through that ad. And the great thing about paid is that once you figure out how to profit from it, there's really no limit to how much your audience can grow. A lot of the people who they have millions of subscribers or hundreds of thousands of subscribers, they either do it through paid advertising or they have enough affiliates to promote their own products that they instantly get tens of thousands of new email addresses within a few days. That is something that some people are actually able to do because they have a large enough affiliate army behind them. So in any industry, it is always good to build out new relationships. The next tip for affiliate marketing is to sell at least once a week. And that could be through a review article or video. It can be through an email that you send to your entire audience. Sell at least once a week. This part is pretty important because you only make money in direct relation to how many offers you make and how many sales you get. There are too many people who they don't really sell that often. And what happens is you don't maximize your full income potential. If you sell something, you open the possibility of making money. It's not like everything you sell makes money, especially in the beginning. And as your platform grows, you're starting to make more money for each product you promote. But selling something at least once a week, and I'd only recommend once a week to an email list. You don't want to overdo it either. But selling, it's opening that door. It's taking that shot instead of not taking the shot and then wondering what if. And each time you sell, you are going to get better. Now, again, you don't have to email your list a new product every week that you want to sell. You could also do this through the product reviews. You can also reach out to people individually who you know could benefit from a certain product, from a certain service, or from your coaching, because we could definitely expand this concept beyond just promoting other people's products, but at least once a week, sell. The 8th tip is to include a bonus in anything that you sell as an affiliate. It's one thing to sell something as an affiliate that everyone else is selling, like a ClickFunnels, and Teachable is also getting a lot of affiliates to promote it. But it's something else to offer a really good bonus that connects with what you're trying to sell. So whether it's a free guide, a free mini course, or even merchandise. If you're selling something that gives you hundreds of dollars, then it may be worth it to make the $20 investment into merchandise, into sending it out to the person. So you could definitely get creative with it. It would be really good if you could do something like merchandise where you do get the person's address, because that can give you the potential to send notes to that person from time to time. And when you do send out handwritten notes, that gives you a really big boost in that relationship. And someone who may have forgotten about you will quickly remember you and revisit all the stuff that you are doing. So if you can use that bonus opportunity to send some merch or send a free copy of your book, having someone's address allows you to send those handwritten notes, which can take any relationship to the next level. Regardless of whether you do that or not, make sure you do have the bonus in place. The 9th tip is to always look out for new things you could promote as an affiliate. Most of your money you will make as an affiliate will come from the same bunch of people. It's going to be the same few buyers who they buy the $100 thing, the $500 thing, the $1,000 thing. It's going to be that same core group of buyers who account for the majority of your affiliate commissions. And you can't get people to buy from you multiple times if you keep promoting the same thing. Even if you promote the same few things, because someone who may want to join Teachable through my link may not be as inclined to join ConvertKit through my link. Maybe because they already are using ConvertKit, maybe because they already are locked in with another email service provider. So the more different offers that you introduce that still relate to your industry, the better. And the final tip for affiliate marketing is to surround yourself with successful affiliates. When you surround yourself with successful affiliates, you will get to see what they are doing. You will get to see how they email their audience, how they introduce offers, what they're doing to grow organically, what page strategies are they operating with. And that is one of the best ways to learn, and it gets you to take action in the right ways. And there is the popular, you are the average of 5 people you spend most of your time with. So if you spend time with successful affiliate marketers and you keep on grinding, you too are a lot more likely to be successful at affiliate marketing versus if you're not hanging out with these people. And hanging out with successful affiliate marketers, it can range from DMs to just engaging with their content, watching their latest videos. So there's a lot of different ways you can make that happen. I certainly hope you guys enjoyed these 10 affiliate marketing tips. Make sure you subscribe for more content. Gently tap the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.